Hello there, Red Wing teachers. So there seems to be an issue with a lot of classes being archived, whether it's a co-teacher that's archived it or however it is. There's been a lot of classes that kind of been disappearing out of your classes, and so I just wanted to show you how to restore that if it happens. So maybe you come to a class, it's ready to start class, and it's not there anymore. So just a quick, easy way to do that. If you go up here to the left-hand corner, there's 3 bars right there. You click on that, and then you scroll all the way down to archived classes. If it was archived recently, it's going to be probably in this top row. And so find the class that you need, and then you can just go up to the 3 dots right here. And then there's 4 options. That third one down is restore. And so once you click restore, then what it's going to do is going to take it out of the archived classes, and then it's going to bring it back up to your normal classes right here, or your current classes. So just a quick, easy way to restore classes that have been archived either by you by accident or by a colleague that's been trying to finish up the year in archive classes, but maybe it happened a little too early. So just a quick little fix to get rolling again.